All right, stream. We got a little trade recap for the day. Here's my funded account. Trade recap for the day. Nice and simple, quick and easy. So we are March 26, 2026. Here is New York open. Price is trending down. We have these equal highs. We have this 5 minute. This is a 15-minute gap. Also a 15-minute gap. This was basically my draw on liquidity, this 15-minute gap. But short term, it was this equal highs made here. New York open was right here. We immediately pushed down, took liquidity at the bottom here. Oh shit. Immediately pushed down, swept out the lows of here and saw a very strong rejection. I was looking possibly for an entry in here. It's a 30-second. Ended up not taking 30-second here or something like that. I just waited for 5 minute to close. The 5 minutes pretty small. You can see it's not this box. There's a small 5 minute. 3 minute is kind of what I was going off of. So you can see once we inverse this fair value gap, this gives me confirmation that price is going to be going higher. There's no other fair value gaps or anything to hold up price in this area except for above these equal highs and then eventually this fair value gap. So I took the trade right here. I did not like necessarily how high we closed. How high we closed, like close to this high. It didn't take the high. If we were to take that high on the close, I probably might not have taken the trade. But I would have loved for it to be a little bit lower to get a better RR. But it turned. I just trusted my setup, trusted my trade. Ended up just taking it. Put about a 40-point stop loss for the highs, 44-point take profit. I could have held a little bit longer. I was really interested in, so I took profits at the high, and I was really interested on the retest of this 5 minute fair value gap right here. So if you drop down to the 1, you can see what happened. The trade was really good, just the setup wasn't there. The idea was there, so we dropped down. We hit our key area, our key level, and the leg that pushes down into the key level. I wanted to see inverse. The inverse happened here. I did end up taking a trade, and then I just wasn't feeling very good about it, so I just closed it for a break even. So here was the trade basically. It pushes down, hits our key level, starts rejecting off this push down that hits our key level. We inverse it. There's a little 1 minute there. Once again, we just closed so high. We closed so high up in there. And then we basically just come up and tap our fair value gap and react off that. So it wasn't too much juice. There wasn't too much juice for the bang of trade I wanted. There was just not enough return of investment on that. So I ended up just sticking with my one trade basically. Could have got a little bit more juice out of it up here, but got in, got out a couple minutes later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basically 10 minutes in and out. And then I wasn't interested. I got off the charts. We have price pushing down here coming into 11. There might have been a setup in here. I wasn't even looking at it. There's not too much. There's a 5 minute that never got filled in. There's a 5 minute gap right here that never got filled in. I thought about possibly trading New York PM, but I decided to stay off. So yeah, trade recap for the day, Thursday, March 26th on the funded account. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy.